Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTCM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line annotation there is coming from. And want to get things updated here. Overall, the chart is hanging in there. Kind of a buzzkill from this morning. You know, the price gapped up, and then from there it was essentially just a gap and trap as the price fell downwards from that point. However, from an overall perspective, good to see that the price continues to maintain up above and around this green line that I've talked about before at the 004 mark as that level of support. So like I said, to give credit where credit's due, sure, the price gave up its gains from the gap up this morning, but as far as this overall support is concerned, the price is definitely doing a good job of maintaining around that general area of the chart. Now, in the event the price does not hold above there anymore, then the next key overarching level of support to keep an eye on is going to be that pink line down there, which on my chart denotes the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have just a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay up above it. And from that point of view, so far so good. The price is not only above that level, there's still quite a bit of wiggle room before the price, would even be potentially, testing it. Now, in these event, this is some sort of bottom forming, and the price is going to start to work its way back upwards. From an overall perspective, the key level to watch is going to be that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average. You can see back on Thursday right there, it acted as resistance. So in the event, like I said, this is some sort of bottom and the price is going to start bouncing. Definitely keep an eye on that. I can't really assign a numerical value to it because as Monday plays out, because that's a moving average, then by definition, the value of that's going to move and change. So you'll just have to be a little bit more proactive as a trader to keep an eye on it. But that'll definitely be the key level to watch as next week plays out. So overall, like I said, kind of a disappointment that the price gave up its gains from this morning, but taking a step back and looking at more than just, this morning, the price is doing a good job holding above that overall area of support. So we'll see how next week plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.